Hi everyone, Dearly Crafted here. I have an unbagging combo here to do. Ordered a couple of things. Let's see. Get my handy dandy scissors out. So I ordered a coloring book. So I'm hoping it's in here. Let's see. So, this is something that I've loved for a while. The Tokidokis, they're little characters. It's Japanese, and Tokidoki, I guess, means sometimes in Japanese. So, this is just a little coloring book here, and it's really cute. So, I figured we'd do a flip through. And wish this was spiral bound, but these characters are so cute. And it's just really another kitschy, cutesy, and somewhat quirky coloring book. So we'll just flip through. I think they call this one with the little donut ears Donatella. I don't know all the characters' names. I haven't really looked at Tokidoki for a couple of years, but it has been a thing whenever they come out with something really cute. I love them. And then a little unicorn, pegacorn. A little Japanese girl. The coloring pages, it's like a mix between cardstock and like a regular coloring page. I think you'd have to put something underneath just to make sure, if you're using markers, just to make sure it doesn't bleed through. Moofia, little cow outfits. It's cute. So like I said, it's a little bit unique, but it's so cute. Little punk star. I'm trying to keep this straight for you. Oh, she's adorable. You could almost diamond paint her. I did finish my diamond painting coloring page, and I just have to seal it, so, but it seems to come out, it seems like it came out really good. So all these cute little unique, I'll say unique characters. Looks like they're at a movie theater there. Apple Orchard. I'm not sure about this one. This one's got a spooky thing going on. And just a little travel page. So there are some very intricate details in that, but you can take your time with it. I think with the most recent coloring book purchases I have, that I have more than enough. Hopefully nothing else catches my eye. Oh look, a full page of diamonds. Diamond painting diamond type of page going on. Let's see. And then all these little, looks like a little garden. It's so cute. Love the faces. Like, it's kind of got a New York look. And he's on his little banana phone. It's so cute. Oh, a little griffin. Well, not quite a griffin, but it's a lion with wings. All kinds of things in these pictures that are, that you see, not right away though. It's kind of funny. I'm not sure about what the thing is with the spiky hats and that, but it's kind of funny. Oh, look at this one. His bone's right there. His food's right there. Not sure why he's upset. A little goldfish in a spiky outfit. It's funny. Like I said, it's very quirky, kind of funny, in my opinion. Again, but oh, look at the little monkeys. So cute. I love the little characters. They're so fun. Except for that one that's kind of creepy looking. Quite a few pages in here. Let's see here. I'm trying not to cover it, but I'm trying to hold it open for you here. Just relaxing, eating his carrot there. And a little, like, scene. Oh my goodness, look at the monkey with a little loincloth, leaf loincloth. Okay. I don't know, maybe this is an adult grown-up coloring book. Kind of funny. A little Aloha Hawaii. Excuse me, I'm trying to clear my throat without being so obvious. A little Japanese hairdo and just a little rock star kind of rock band thing going on. He's yelling at the top of his lungs. Let's see. Just kind of a general purpose page, I guess. A beach scene here with some cute characters. These are just cute characters. This looks like a more of a Halloween scene. They've got their little outfits on, dressed like, and then the bats. And little cow outfit, milk carton, and a Christmas hat. So, oh, and snowflakes throughout. And this looks like a springtime kind of one. The flowers and the little puppy dog, and I guess, like I said, I think that's Donatella, and then a little lightning bolt hat, I guess for spring rain and stuff. So yeah. It's really cute. I got it for, I got this from Amazon, and it was, I believe at the time I purchased it was $5.92, but the regular price before that was $9.95. So if they put it back at regular price, I believe that's the price. The regular price is the one listed here. So, and it's designed by Simone Legno, and from what I understand, he's an Italian artist. So really fun. Okay. And let's see here. And of course, lately with I bought another thing, but they had to, looks like they had to ship it in a separate box. So lately, as far as if there's a coloring book out that has a coffee cup to match, I have this dysfunctional attachment to getting coloring books if they have, because like with my Mandy Manzano, I got her coloring book and then I got her coffee cup. So it's like I have a coloring book, coffee cup, matchy kind of thing. So I did grab a couple more things, but yes, I'll put this off to the side for a minute. So they have a little Tokidoki coffee mug. It looks so cute. Like I said, it's like having the little matching things. I have a coffee. I know I have a clean coffee cup if I want to work on the, I guess, coloring book, or have the option of having a clean coffee cup. And I'll just put that over there. So it's really cute. Hopefully that's focusing. But this is a Mermicorn. I think it's like a mermaid unicorn mix kind of characters, and the ocean characters from the Tokidoki line. And so it's so adorable. Oh, look at the little mermaid in the shell. It's so cute. A little, just all kinds of little sea creature type things. And so yeah. So I thought that was kind of fun. Have the coloring book and the coffee cup to match. So yeah. And then of course I was ready to check out. And this was $8 and some change when I purchased this on Amazon. So I'll just put that right there. And then they had a little origami paper pack. There were you know, of course, when you go to checkout, and it's the Tokidoki origami paper pack. Bleh, I cannot say that. Origami paper pack. And so I guess it has just the different pages of little origami paper, and also it has pages that you can color for doing origami. And I don't recall if I've ever done origami, honestly, but the pages are really cute. I'll hold it up here a little bit more and try to flip through. I just thought it was kind of fun, and if I wanted to decorate the coloring pages or something after I get done with them, maybe I can do that, you know, frame it up and use these origami pages to make, like, inside the frame, to use these pages as like matting or something. You never know. Could have fun with it. Something clever or creative maybe. And so I'm just trying to flip through to all the different kinds of pages here. Really cute, really fun designs. And oh, I gotta get back in the frame. So, like I said, hopefully you can see this. So this is one of the pages that you can actually color yourself in the origami book. And then pizza with apples and strawberries on it. That's kind of odd. And candies. Okay. Never seen pizza with an apple on it, but, well, okay. I guess if you're making some kind of special pizza. And so, yeah. Let's see here. And those are the myrmicorns, I think. Or, yeah. I think that's what they're called, is myrmicorns. They're so cute. And another coloring page option. And then just little cute characters. Maybe they're called myrmicornas. I kept thinking there was like kind of a long tongue-tied name for the myrmicornas or myrmicornis. I'm not sure. I can't recall. That's cute though. I'm hoping me trying to pronounce it doesn't sound like something weird, so that's cute. Another coloring option. And some more scenes with just the cute characters. And then it does have in the contents where it's just, you know, folding a crane, folding a magic star. So it does at least give you some basic origami shapes to try. Basic folds, reverse folds, and hints. So might be fun to try sometime. Folding a magic star, and then it starts in there. Okay, so that is, I kind of went on a Tokidoki buying spree today, and so well, a couple days ago. And these were all on Amazon Prime. And I believe the book was $10. Yeah, it's $9.95 usually. And I think that's what I paid for it at the time I ordered. But of course, you'd always have to check with the current prices. But you can see that origami. It's the size of the squares are smaller, but pretty good paper pack there. So. All right, everybody, I hope you have a great day. I hope it was fun for you to just kind of take a look at these things with me. And everybody take care, and we'll talk with you next time. Bye.